turn this up.
If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Up, here we go.
Torrential.
Or maybe not. That was really weird. That did it a glitch for some reason. Here we go.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a tornado warning for north central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 4:30 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Gleneagle, or 14 miles north of Colorado Springs, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Air Force Academy in Gleneagle around 4:10 p.m. Black Forest around 4:30 p.m.
Oh, crap.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
My ride has it suspended. Alright, that's it.